Children, we have done many activities like shadow play. We also noted down the time of sunrise and sunset. We watched the moon. We discussed about the constellations. Now let's come to this page, because you can give the answers very clearly now. Can you tell me, when is the day long and night is short? When the day is long and night is short? Yes, it's in summer. So you can match it with the summer. You can draw the line or you can write the number on it. Same way, when is short day and long night? That is winter. So you can match it with it. Sun rises, when sun rises early and when it rises late. Sun rises early in the summers and rises late in the winters. Same way, it sets early in the winters but late in the summers. Children, also you have seen the moon. So while observing moon, you would have seen that you are able to see different type of shapes in different parts of the sky. Sometimes you are able to see over your head, sometimes in the western skies, sometimes in the northern sky, eastern sky, sorry. So you can find out the moon at different directions. Children, let's come to the matching of it now. When the full moon rises, it rises around the sunset. The full moon rises around the sunset and it sets around the sunrise. Same way, the crescent moon that rises around the sunset and sets around the sunrise. Children, whether you are able to see moon in different directions, but it rises in the same direction always, means it rises in the east and sets in the west. Since the rotation of moon, we can say, children will discuss in detail in next class, means in class 5. Till now you should know that the sun rises in the east, moon also rises in the east, and they both set in the west. And when can you see the full moon after sunset? Full moon after sunset you can see in east direction, and full moon just before sunrise you can see in west direction. And also the crescent moon soon after sunset you will be able to see in west direction. So children, do the matching. I am also going to send you the answer key of it. Attempt, understand. Good day children. Bye bye.